GoHighLevel versus HubSpot, make the right decision. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which marketing automation platform is better among GoHighLevel and HubSpot. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel combines CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, and more into a single platform, making it convenient for businesses and agencies. Includes tools for managing client accounts, making it an excellent choice for marketing agencies and consultants. Offers white labeling options, allowing agencies to brand the platform as their own when offering services to clients. Provides integrated SMS, email, and call tracking features, enabling multi channel communication from one platform. Generally more affordable compared to HubSpot, especially for agencies managing multiple clients. Due to its comprehensive features, GoHighLevel may have a steeper learning curve for new users. While it offers many built-in tools, it has fewer native integrations compared to HubSpot, best suited for agencies, which may not be ideal for all types of businesses. Now let's come towards HubSpot. HubSpot known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. Provides detailed analytics and reporting features, helping businesses track and optimize their marketing and sales efforts. Supports a wide range of native integrations with other software, enhancing its functionality and flexibility. Offers a free CRM version with essential features, making it accessible to startups and small businesses. HubSpot Academy offers extensive training and certification courses, helping users make the most of the platform. Somehow, advanced features and tools can become costly, especially for larger teams or enterprises. While user friendly, HubSpot may offer less customization in certain areas compared to GoHighLevel. The free CRM has limits on email marketing features, which may require upgrading to a paid plan for more extensive use. Choosing between GoHighLevel and HubSpot depends on your specific business needs and goals. In 2024, the right decision depends on whether you need an agency focused, customizable platform GoHighLevel or a versatile, well integrated solution for broader business needs HubSpot. That's all for this video.